They say some people enter your life for only a moment, just long enough to leave a sentence that changes everything. Leo met such a person, and he met him on the night he felt most lost. Leo lived alone in a small room in the city, soft yellow light, quiet nights, and a heart full of questions he couldn't answer. Every day felt the same. Every thought felt heavy. He didn't know what he wanted. He didn't know who he was becoming. One evening, when the confusion felt too much, Leo walked outside and entered a small cafe he had never noticed before. The place was warm, a little dark, and the music was soft and slow. Leo sat down quietly. Then someone sat beside him. An old man with gentle eyes and a calm smile. He looked at Leo for just a moment and said, "You look lost." Leo blinked. "How do you know?" he asked. The old man smiled a little. "People who feel lost always look tired inside," he said softly. "Tell me, are you waiting for life to give you answers?" Leo nodded slowly. The old man placed his cup down and said one simple line. A line Leo would remember forever. Answers do not come to people who wait. They come to people who work. Leo stared at him. "What do you mean?" he asked. But the old man stood up, took a deep breath, and said, "If you move, your heart will talk to you again. If you stay still, it won't." Then he walked out of the cafe. No name. No explanation, just gone. Leo looked around. The place felt different now. Quieter, like the old man had taken something with him or left something behind. That night, Leo couldn't sleep. The sentence repeated again and again in his mind. Answers come to people who work. By morning, he made a small decision, not a big plan, just a step. He took a part-time job at a small bakery near the river. The bakery felt peaceful. Warm bread, soft light. Simple tasks. As Leo worked with the dough, something strange happened. His mind became quiet. His heart felt less heavy. While cleaning the tables, he noticed small memories coming back. While helping customers, he felt a tiny spark of joy. Day by day, something inside him changed. Not fast, but real. One morning, as he was shaping a loaf of bread, Leo stopped. He looked at his hands. Steady, calm. And he whispered, "I feel different." In that moment, he understood. The old man didn't tell him to find answers. He told him to move so the answers could find him. Work didn't give Leo a perfect plan, but it opened a quiet door inside him, a door to himself. We often wait for the right time, the right feeling, the right idea, but real clarity doesn't appear when we wait. It appears when we begin. Working, even simple work, helps us know ourselves. We see what we like, what we don't, what feels peaceful, what feels heavy. Work is not just work. It is a mirror, and the more we work, the clearer that mirror becomes. Take the first step, meaning begin even if the beginning is small. Example, Leo took the first step by working at the bakery. Little by little, meaning slowly and gradually, step by step. Example, Leo changed little by little through his daily work. Listen to your heart, meaning pay attention to your true feelings and inner voice. Example, working helped Leo listen to his heart again. Sometimes the smallest action becomes the start of a new life. Just take one step, then another. And one day, you'll meet the version of yourself you've been searching for. If this story touched you, stay with me for more.